Hello and welcome to this video in the Google Ads training series. Today, we'll be discussing and creating our first sales campaign with the video campaign type. The entire point of video ads is conversions. This word, again, doesn't necessarily mean sales. It could mean subscribers to a list, webinar signups, or just leads to convert into sales later. Whatever the goal of the campaign, video ads are designed to drive conversions, not just traffic. Before we get started with the training, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for our Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. Video ads. The annoying videos before, during, and sometimes after our entertaining videos on YouTube. I want to urge you to make a very concerted effort to avoid video ads unless you have great production skills and the ads look professional and they're actually speaking to your audience. And I don't mean like the message speaks to your audience, but there's a voice speaking to your audience. Mashing together a few videos you found online of a product and having a song playing in the background while people are shown text isn't as effective in these placements on YouTube. Think online commercial. While you may have seen video ads on other platforms that have music and text overlay, those aren't the same type of placements as a YouTube video ad because people have to actively search social media, while YouTube is a search engine that encourages passive use. Not every video on YouTube is designed to be watched. Some are just meant to be listened to. If you have made a wonderful video that you know will perform well on this placement, before you can make the ad, you must upload this video to YouTube. This will come in later. If you haven't done so yet, please do so now. Once completed, open your Google Ads Manager and navigate to your campaigns and click the plus button and select New Campaign. For our objective, we're selecting sales and the campaign type is video. Click Continue. Give your campaign a unique name. Leave the bidding strategy to maximize conversions for now. Enter a budget and select your language and locations. In most cases, standard inventory is the proper placement for most companies. I would suggest keeping it here as expanded inventory might match your business with a video that doesn't really gel with your business's core values, while limited inventory will cost a lot more because these are your most family-friendly placements and have a higher value overall. We won't be using any exclusions. One key difference to video ads compared to other Google ads is that your ad group is made alongside your campaign settings. Not bad, just weird. Keywords. Okay, let's make something very clear. Keyword research is the foundation of a strong campaign. If you haven't done your keyword research, stop the video and go do it now. Enter in your keywords in the list to the left. If you want the lazy way out, I suggest you never, ever, ever, ever do it. Put a C word to the right and out pops a list of keywords. The next line down, you'll notice something new. Topics. Topics is a way to make sure your ad shows up for content that makes sense to show your ad on. So this is Google's way of giving you the opportunity to further refine your match between keyword, ad, landing page, and the intent of the consumer. This is about refining. You can view this as, Google's way to say the user must match the keyword and the video must match this topic. If you have one but not the other, you won't show up. It's definitely worth digging in and understanding your customers at a better level and leveraging their interests and what they watch so you get a more qualified lead. Placements. Fairly interesting idea here. You can select the exact videos, channels, and websites that you want your video to show up on. I would suggest leaving this be for now unless you have a placement you know is going to crush it. Google knows pretty well how performance can be optimized at this level. Lastly, time to make your ad. These are going to be the skippable in-stream ads. This is our only option for this campaign. Paste in your video link and your ad options will show up. Put in the link of the page that you want your customers to land on once they click your call to action. The way you want your URL to show up, usually just put the top level domain, the call to action text, and the headline text. Click create, and you're all done. That wasn't so bad. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.